Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're working in trade finance, you already know things are changing, and fast. So today, we're going to dive into a really clear, structured pathway that's designed to take you from being an operational expert to an absolutely essential strategic leader by 2026. Let's get into it. You know, the world of trade finance has completely shifted. It's not just about knowing the documents anymore. We're dealing with expanding sanctions, way more scrutiny on trade-based money laundering, and all this pressure from correspondent banks. The new reality is crystal clear. Financial institutions need people who get the deep, structural risks that are now just part of modern supply chains.
So this really brings up the big question, doesn't it? You have to ask yourself, with all the geopolitical chaos and new digital threats popping up, is my current skill set really enough for the challenges that aren't just coming, they're already here? But what if there was a clear roadmap for all this? A way to take all that complexity and turn it into a major career opportunity? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at. A structured path to go from mastering the day-to-day operations to actually leading on strategic risk.
Now, this is so important to understand. We're not talking about some one-off awareness course that just scratches the surface. What eBSI has put together is a deliberate, two-stage professional journey. It's all about building that institutional-grade competence you need in today's world.
So let's break it down. It all starts with Step 1, the Diploma in Trade Finance. This is where you build that rock-solid, technical foundation. Then, you level up to Step 2, the Advanced Diploma. That's where you evolve into a strategic leader, zeroing in on those critical areas of risk and compliance. So let's take a closer look at Stage 1.
Okay, let's dive into Stage 1, really achieving that operational mastery with the Diploma in Trade Finance.
So who is this for? Well, this diploma is specifically built for professionals who need to go way beyond the basics. We're talking trade ops managers, support teams, up-and-coming specialists, anyone who needs that deep, structured skill set across the entire trade and finance spectrum.
And the most important part is what you can actually do when you're done. You'll be able to confidently handle documentary credits, interpret things like UCP 600 with total precision, and even spot fraud vulnerabilities in your daily work. I mean, these are real, tangible skills that make you more valuable from day one.
And this is a robust program, okay? We're talking over 60 hours of interactive training across 22 units. And get this, you get lifetime access to the eBSI online campus. But look at the bigger picture, the impact on your institution. Fewer errors, lower operational risk, and just a much stronger, more competent frontline. That's how you build a team that can handle anything.
All right, for everyone who's ready to climb to that next level, let's talk about Stage 2, building a serious strategic risk capability with the Advanced Diploma.
This is where you make that crucial pivot. You move beyond just the mechanics of a transaction and start thinking about the strategy behind managing risk. This is really designed for managers and specialists in financial crime, compliance, and risk, the people who need to see that bigger picture.
And the expertise you develop here is in some of the most critical areas in finance today. I mean, you'll be digging into complex money laundering typologies, mapping sanctions exposure, and applying Basel-aligned risk frameworks. This is high-level, strategic stuff. And the program's depth reflects that. We're talking over 90 hours of interactive training. The impact here is huge. It strengthens your institution's regulatory posture, dramatically reduces financial crime exposure, and, this is a big one, it seriously boosts your credibility with correspondent banking partners.
So that's the pathway. But what's the eBSI advantage? What makes this different? Let's look at the proof and the really smart way it handles progression.
It's really important to see the difference here. On one side, you've got your basic introductory courses that, just give you a little awareness. But on the other side, you have eBSI's institutional grade qualifications. These are structured, professional programs built from the ground up to give you deep, real-world competence.
And for all you certified documentary credit specialists out there, listen up. This is a massive benefit. Graduates of the diploma earn 16 professional development units toward your CDCS recertification. That is a huge head start.
Now, this one is pretty incredible. 87% of participants got their very first professional trade qualification because of eBSI. Just let that sink in. That proves just how effective this program is at creating certified experts.
But hey, don't just take my word for it. Listen to Moses Akinawanu, a group head of trade services at a major bank. He said it brought a turning point to his career. When a senior industry leader says something like that, you know it's the real deal.
And here's something else that's really smart. eBSI totally respects the expertise you already have. If you already hold a CDCS, SIFT, or CTFP certification, you can actually qualify for an exemption from the Foundation Diploma and jump straight to the Advanced Diploma. It's a fantastic pathway that recognizes your prior learning and just accelerates your journey.
So when you boil it all down, it comes to this. The eBSI pathway is designed to be a complete career transformation. It takes you from being a skilled operational professional and turns you into an indispensable strategic leader in trade finance.
So if you're ready to build the skills that are not just wanted but required for 2026 and beyond, you can enroll today over at the eBSI Export Academy website. All the contact details you need are right here on the screen.
I'll just leave you with this final thought. The future of trade finance? Yeah, it's complex, but the path to becoming a leader in it? It's right here. So, are you ready to define your future?